Good evening and welcome to another episode of Atlanticast Laws, where this time we're doing something a little different, making a packaging for a lure. So I picked this up at the local Chinese market. It was pretty expensive for what it was, to be fair. But the box was about perfect for this lure. So the idea is I'll take the toy out, give it to a friend's kid, and then use the box, repaint it, and make it look professional. Let's crack on. Carefully unbox it. Get rid of that for the moment. And I have it. I'm going to spray the rest of it the same colour green as that. Now we're going to mask it up. Okay, that's all masked off. Ready for the first coat of green. Let's give it a go. This is the box all painted up. So I used AI to describe the stickers I wanted, and then the labels, and then printed them off on the printer, and very carefully cut them out with a precision blade. So currently I don't have any black ink in my printer, so I decided to hand refill the black into the logo. It was looking a little lackluster. So everything's been cut out, and now I'm just applying a bit of Pritt stick. I probably would have used spray adhesive, but Pritt stick's all I had, so Pritt stick it was. And yeah, just made sure I got a good coating over the back, so it didn't peel up around the edges, but not too much, so it made it sodden and started wrinkling. And then stuck them on. I'll speed through this because it's pretty boring. So after a lot of deliberation, I finally decided on a method to support the fish, the lure inside the box. And I figured some stiff cardboard would be folded into some sort of stand would be the best option. So I started by making a prototype, but actually the prototype was pretty good. I cut the cardboard, fold it into the shape of the joints of the fish, and slightly into a V, and super glued it all together, and then sprayed it green and stuck it on. The stand and all made and painted and glued in into the floor there like that. And then, yeah, that's it. So I got these NFC tags from Temu, and they're pretty simple things. What I'm going to do is stick one of these stickers onto there, and then stick it on the outside of the box. And then I'm going to program it to take it to the YouTube video of the making of the lure. And I will show you that in a second. So, just wanted to demonstrate the NFC tag. And we have a scan here. Should take you straight to the video. And if you haven't been to the channel and subscribed, it'd be much appreciated. So let's get these hooks wired in. So while I'm doing that, I'll explain a little bit how I program the NFC tag. So with an application called NFC Tasks, downloadable on Android and I believe Apple as well. It was very simple. It took me about 3 seconds to take the URL from my YouTube video, copy and paste it into the app, press write code and touch your phone to the NFC tag and you're done. So just to make the stickers look more authentic, and because they're just printed on normal paper, what I'm doing is giving them a coat of polyurethane resin, varnish, and it's just giving them a protective layer and making them nice and shiny. It looks a bit weird when it goes on first because it absorbs into the paper, but it dries pretty back to normal. This one's already had a coat. So here it is, the final product. I hope you all like it. Took me a long while. I've given it to my brother already, so I can release the video, and he was very happy with it, very impressed. I'm sure his daughter will enjoy it when she grows up, having a lure named after her. I also made another one, which you'll see in the video in a second, called the Sienna Mackerel 500. Slightly smaller version, 2-piece lure. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Hope I've inspired someone to make their own packaging, and I'll see you in the next one.